Hello everyone. Today we will see uh, how we can name ranges. We can edit the name and we can unname any ranges. So let's start. Range means you can select any range from here to here. This is a range. Okay. Uh, Column. This is a range from here to here. This is a range. Okay, so we have to define a name for that particular range so that by calling that name we can do any particular task. I am giving an example. If we want to calculate the sum of these total marks, we can and we want to keep the sum in this cell. Then first of all select this cell and click on auto sum. From home menu, click auto sum. You will see this range is selected. Then if you press enter, you will see this is the sum of this range. Okay. Another way we can do is we can define the range. For example, from here to here, we have dragged this data. Then right click on this, then define name, and here you can see the name of the column was total marks out of 30. There was space between every word, but when you will define a name of your range, you cannot place any space. You have to fill up with underscore. Okay, so you can see the this is the name, or you can change the name as you need. We are keeping this just as it is. uh, Click OK. So you can see when we will select this whole range, this name will appear total marks, and the rest are not showing here. Total marks out of 30. Okay, so now by defining this name, what we can do, we will do the sum again, but differently, not using this auto sum. We are uh, we have click on this cell, then start with equal sign to start a writing a formula. Sum is the formula, writing any range, then press first bracket. Then uh, instead of selecting this range, we have given a name. We should type this, that is total. Just if you type to, you will see the name of the range is showing here, total marks out of 30. This is our range. So if we double click on it, so this is selected, then closing bracket, enter. We can see that the same result we have achieved here. So uh, it, here we have calculated the sum using auto sum feature, and here we have defined a name for this range, and using sum we have done it. Okay, so how we can unname this range? You have to or edit this. First of all, we are editing this. We have to select this entire range. Then we have to go to uh, uh, okay, I'm taking a minute. We have to go to the formula, and then we have to select name manager. Here you can edit this name. Okay, if we edit this, then total marks out of 30, maybe we can total, just keep total marks. Okay, and then click OK, close. Now you will see the name of this range is only total marks. Okay, so how now we can delete this range and just make it as before. Okay, select this entire range, then from formula menu, go to name manager, select this one, delete. Okay, close. So if you select this range now, you will see no name is showing here because we have deleted that name. Okay, uh, in the same way, we can select this entire table. Instead of this column, we can give a name for this table. We have selected that, and then click, right click, then define name, student details. Instead of space, we have given a underscore. Okay, if you give any space, it will not work. Okay, it will not save the name. Okay, now click OK. So when we will select the entire table, here this is appearing. Okay, so this is how we can name any column range or table range, edit that name range, or delete any name range. Another thing I forgot to mention, that in this place the sum was calculated based on the defined name, and previously it was okay, but now we can see that there is no sum here. It is showing hashtag name. Why it is happening? Because we have deleted the defined name, and when we are clicking on this, here the formula is equal to sum total marks. This was the previous name of this uh, column, but we have deleted this. That's why this formula is not working now. Okay, so but this one is working because this sum was created using this auto sum feature. So when we will define a name, after defining that name, we can use any function, and we can use that name, it will work. If we delete that defined name, then any formula which used that particular defined name will not work. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.